Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from your team at Fortified, and today I'm with my buddy Matt Riley, and we're going to talk about the no money down purchase program that we have in Massachusetts. It's a great program where you can buy a house with no money down. Like, how does that even work? Matt, tell them, how's that possible?
So a lot of people think that you have to have a whole bunch of money to buy a house. In reality, in Massachusetts now, you can do 100% financing. The average person gets around $3,000 back per year for their tax return. So if you take that money and apply it to buying a house, all you really need is about $1,000 for a deposit. You need around $500 for the appraisal and around $500 for the inspection. And that's all you really need to get into the house, around $2,000. And then David here can find you a house.
That's it. And your $1,000, you get that back at the closing. And the money that you're spending for an inspection and appraisal, that's called your due diligence, right? You want to buy a house that is in good condition, right? So you want to get it inspected. You want to buy a house that's worth.
How much it's worth.
Yeah, exactly. You want to buy a house that's worth what you're paying. And you know, that's what the appraisal does. So it makes sure that you're buying it right. So that's kind of the brief overview. Check out the site below. We have more information, and we will reach out to you, and we will have a one-on-one consultation with you, and we will make sure that you can get your dream of home ownership with no money down. Only in America. I love it. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and we look forward to working with you.